So my desk has grown to be too small, so I decided I'd go ahead and glue up these spare pieces of oak that I have. Old tabletop here. It's probably about 4.5 feet or so, maybe a little less. I think it was like 53 inches maybe. So I'm gonna go for about 72 inches, maybe longer. It had some threaded inserts in there. Screwed those out, and I'll just drill in some new holes. I didn't have a bit that's exactly the same size, so I used a nut, and you can kind of see some of that deformation, so you definitely want to make sure you're using the right size bits, unlike me. We got some pieces of oak I actually got from Home Depot, so yeah, I paid way too much, but that's okay. They looked really pretty. They actually have some figuring on them. I'm not sure if you can see this on the camera here. Got a little bit of waviness there on both edges here, and it'll show a lot better once I sand and put some finish on her. But very excited to finally expand my workspace. I do not have enough room, especially being a computer programmer with all my screens. You will see what I mean. Didn't have enough time to finish the top and bottom of the new desktop, but I am able to get these threaded inserts in here. So I've actually had to take a bolt and I filed it down myself to make sure it would fit. It's doing the trick. I was trying to use some pre-made bolts, but as you can see, they were just ripping right in half. So I was able to get all of the threaded inserts in the right place for attaching the top, and here you can see it's about 80% wider than the bases for now. I rewired everything into a more efficient way. I'm not going to be kicking stuff as I'm trying to put my feet up, and you may not look it, but I really do feel much less cluttered. I can spread out my arms and stuff. Here you can see the black surface is the previous tabletop, and that's how much smaller it was. I was able to add about 9 inches of depth, which really helps with my wrists and everything, and about 3.5 feet to the length. If you made it this far,